Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Wahyuning My name is Widya Chandra Puspita. In here, we will show you how to make a delicious coffee. Okay guys, let's get started.
Prepare the coffee. Sugar, hot water, spoons, small plates, and cups. First, prepare a glass and small plates. Then, pour enough coffee grounds. Then, add sugar according to taste. After that, pour hot water. Then, stir until blend. Delicious coffee is ready. Okay guys, that's all from us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.